I will show you how to change Call of Duty Black Ops 6 language in just a few steps. If you find this helpful, please don't forget you can subscribe and like this video. So all you need to do is press the pause button. It will depend on the platform you are playing, but it's the icon at the top right of the screen. Then you will need to go to the right to the settings, then interface, and right here you will see your preferred language. You can click here or press X, and you will see the different types of languages you can choose. So if you see you don't have the language installed, all you need to do is press the PS button, and then on the game you need to press pause, so it will open a menu in the right where you will see manage game files, and then go to the bottom where you will see the list of all the languages you can install, and after you install them they will appear right here as installed, and you can just choose the language you want to use. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.